What's up, friends in the hood? Greetings to everybody, and welcome if you're new to the channel. So guys, in today's upgrade time again, so this is the car engine sound system from G.T.Power. Highly appreciated that G.T.Power sent me this for making a review, and I just want to show it on a smaller car. So for sure we can put it in a bigger car, a 1/10 scale drift car. That's normal, guys. So I will show you. It's really tiny for its size, for what it can do, and we put it in a small 1/18 scale car. This rig here, guys. So this will be a blast. Super easy, super fast. I will show you. So guys, let's check out our system. It's a really super easy system, as you can see. So here's our power supply, the JST plug, receiver cable, and here are our adapters. So super cool from G.T.Power. They put this in that you can power it up from your normal LiPo, and it puts in the power to the JST plug. Or you can power it directly if you have JST. Super cool. And here's the Servo splitter, guys. Oh, super easy. Put in one. Can't do it wrong. It only fits on one side. So like this. Now let me show you. This is our receiver, guys. So for sure, take the EC plug and not the Servo plug. So that one here, connect them both together, and as you can see, put it in back. And that's it, guys. So just power up the whole system, and I give you the sound check. I hope you can hear this, guys. It's super funky.
Number 2. Number 3.
That's totally cool, guys. So when you don't make anything to your transmitter, the car goes off after a few seconds. So how cool is that, guys? Just give it a little push. It starts.